Hello students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel AV Samarpan, a journey of life science. Myself Vikash Kumar. Today we are going to start a chapter Nutrition in Plants. Before going ahead, I request you to subscribe, share and like my channel. Okay, without wasting the time, let's come to start. We have studied in class 6 about the food. Food is the basic necessity of living organisms that perform different functions like that of growth, like that of maintenance of body, like that of repairing the damaged parts, so on. So now in this chapter we shall study about the nutrition, its mode and other process. So now what is the meaning of nutrition? It is related to our food, it is related to our body system. So now nutrition is the taking the food. It is a process in which food is taken by the organism and then it is utilized by the body for processing the different works. So now what is present inside food that helps in the performance of different works, so that nutrients are present in it. Nutrients are the chemical substances that are present in food and perform particular functions for the body, like that carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins. So come to the next point. If nutrition occurs, so plants and animals perform different type of nutrition. As plants are able to make their own food, but animals are not able to make their own food. On the basis of that, the nutrition mode is divided in two types. Now come modes of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition. The first one is autotrophic and the second one is heterotrophic. These two types of nutrition. Now come to discuss about the first mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic is made by two words. The first one is auto, means self, and the second one is trophos, means nourishment. It represents self-nourishment is known as autotrophic mode of nutrition, so that plants are able to make their own food, so it represents autotrophic mode of nutrition. And the organism like that of green plants and algae and blue-green algae perform the autotrophic mode of nutrition and they are called autotrophs. Now come to the second, that is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic is also made by two words, that is hetero, means other, and in the same way trophos, means nourishment. This represents a heterotrophic mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on other organisms for their food, so that animals, also human beings, depend on plants or other animals for their food, so that कि all the heterotrophs directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. So come to the next point कि how autotrophic nutrition occurs in plants. So which process helps in the formation of food in green plants or blue-green algae? So the name of the process is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, the word photo related to the light. So now, photosynthesis is the process of the formation of food by the green plants by using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. So that this process formation of food by the green plants by using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. In the presence of chlorophyll. Is called photosynthesis. You can write it also. Now, a very interesting word equation is also for this process. Carbon dioxide, oxide plus water in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll and it formed glucose plus water plus oxygen. This is very interesting process because when plants make the food not only for them, it makes the food for all the organisms present on the earth, so that plants are known as producer. So now, with the help of this equation that is called word equation, we can say that these are the requirements of the photosynthesis. So we shall discuss about the different requirements of photosynthesis separately. So come to the next points. I am going to draw a picture for you so that you will understand very easily how they get these substances from different places. Now, if we okay. See, leaf. Now, okay, so that key root present in soil and plants get the water and minerals from the root. This is the first requirement. The second one is carbon dioxide. Stomata have very special structure present in leaf. I shall draw for you later again. So, stomata that trap carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so that the carbon dioxide present in atmosphere trapped by stomata. Now, the third thing is sunlight. Sunlight provided by the sun, and these things process the photosynthesis. Let's come to know it separately again. Now, come to know about the first requirement, that is carbon dioxide. Plants get the carbon dioxide from atmosphere and it traps the carbon dioxide through the stomata. Stomata is the structure present on the surface of leaves. Stomata is, this is the structure of stomata. This is an open stomata. It is guarded by or protected by two guard cells. This pore is known as stoma. Stomata opens during the daytime, that helps in trapping the or absorbing the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When guard cell swells, it opens this pore that make a pathway for the entrance of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So, the next requirement, you shall know about it. The next one is water. Root of the plant absorb water from the soil and it is transported with the help of a very special tissue that is known as xylem. Xylem transport water that is absorbed by the root of the plant. Okay. So, the next requirement is sunlight. Now, we know that sunlight comes from sun. Sunlight is very important because, as we know, the name of the process is photosynthesis, and photo means light so that it needs light as energy, so that sunlight is very important for providing the energy to this process. Now come to the next. Exactly, sunlight is absorbed and then it is converted into chemical energy. So next one is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaf of plant. It has dual function. First, it trap the sunlight. And second one is it convert it into chemical energy. The other function of chlorophyll is to provide green color to the leaves, and because of the presence of chlorophyll, leaf looks green, and sometimes we see the other part of plant looks green because of the presence of chlorophyll. So the process of photosynthesis is completed in leaf of plant, and because of that it is known as food factory. That is, leaves is called. So I hope this video is going to be long, so we shall discuss about the next topic in next video. I hope you get the knowledge from this video. Keep watching. We shall meet in next videos with next topic of this chapter. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.